So we have the A-team out here. Ephraim from New York, Ryan from California and Texas, and I'm Doug Reitmeyer, working for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to help maintain this beautiful resource the United States government has called Wheeler Lock on the Tennessee River. So when the boats need to bypass the dam, they go into the lock, and if the lock's up on the upstream side and the water has to go out, they open up a 20-foot valve. You can see the result out there. All the water, that's a 20-foot diameter valve. And they're letting the locks go down approximately 47 feet, I think, from the difference in one side of the dam to the other. And then they'll let the boat go out the other side, bring the next one in, and so forth. So this project requires some piping modifications. They had some deteriorated pipe, some leaks. Said, look, I'll meet you guys up here for a day and we'll make sure this thing's kicked off and running smooth and get you in and out of here in a couple of weeks.
I'm Mike Luter with R&M Equipment Company. Today we're delivering a Skyjack TK66 for Lanterra up to Wheeler Lock and Dam. The Skyjack is a specialty made machine that'll bend knuckle down instead of up. And as far as I know, we have the only one in North America. It can go up to 66 feet. I think it can go down 30 feet. It'll knuckle down 30 feet. It'll hold 600 pounds, so 2 people.
Have nothing, absolutely nothing. Call that supply house and see if somebody's bringing that stuff to us, so we got to go get it. What's the story there?
Boom, baby. opportunity to bring my kids out, let them experience different states, different cultures. My wife, instead of just sitting at home, bored, restless, and me too, sitting in a hotel room for 2 weeks or a 3-day weekend, there's not much to do when you're by yourself. So it's real nice. The opportunity to do this are very rare. My kids enjoy it, and they met Efren and his wife and their son, his son, and everybody's getting along great, and it's a great experience for everybody.
I didn't want to miss out with my wife and my son, so I figured rather than travel, I bring the family here, and we found some stuff to do. The actual trampoline park, now a Little Kingdom children park, which is pretty cool. It's been a wonderful experience to have our families out with us while we're at work, come home to our families. It almost feels like being at home. You know that gray hub in the middle? Well, inside, something is loose badly enough to cut through that hub. Brian, we're ready to fire it up.
All right, here we come.